Well, hello and welcome to another video by Financial Learning. On today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 14 publicly traded Bitcoin mining stocks. We're going to be comparing their Bitcoin mine for the month of December. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting out with number 14, it is going to be Bitdigital, that is ticker symbol BTBT. They had a total Bitcoin mine in the month of December at 32.4. A couple other highlights worth noting was that this was a 27.8% decrease compared to the prior month, and their active hash rate was approximately just 1.8 exahash per second. Again, about a 28% decrease compared to prior month. They also purchased about 941 of these S21 mining units for about $3.2 million during the month of December, and they sold about 4,506 of their S19 mining units for about $836,000 during that same month in December. All right, looking at number 13, this is Hut8, ticker symbol HUT. They had a total Bitcoin mine in the month of December at just 89 Bitcoin. Looking at previous month in November, it was 94 Bitcoin. A couple other comparisons. I want to take a look at the very top there for total energy capacity under management. So this is just their mining sector. In the month of December, it was 665 megawatts, while the month of November had 967 megawatts. So again, there's a drop in capacity or energy capacity month over month. Looking at that total hash rate under management, it is 13.2 exahash per second in December, and it was 21 exahash per second in the month of November. So again, a reduction in total hash rate under management. Looking at their miners, they had a total amount of miners of 121,000 in the month of December, and this is under management. And looking at that November number, it was 201,000. So it does look like they are selling off some of their miners. You can see that hash rate reduction. You can see that total energy capacity reduction and that Bitcoin reduction. So again, it does look like Hut8 may be pivoting slowly out of the mining industry and getting into one of these other types of data center management type situations, whether it's that HPC AI sector or one of these cloud management sectors. All I know is that looking at this Bitcoin amount, it is getting reduced. Coming in at number 12 is Hive, that is ticker symbol HIVE. They had a total Bitcoin in the month of December at 103. A couple other key metrics to take a look at is going to be their HODL portfolio at 2,805. That is a 64.6 increase year over year. Looking down at some more of these metrics, they have 5.5 exahash per second and a fleet efficiency of 22 joules per terahash. So they are starting to increase some of those numbers. However, they are still just number 12 on this list. Let's continue. Coming in at number 11 is going to be BitFuFu, that is ticker symbol FUFU. They had a total Bitcoin production in the month of December at 111 with a Bitcoin holdings of 1,720. Looking over their November number, this was a 32% increase compared to that November number. So they are starting to scale up in terms of that Bitcoin production, and they are purchasing some additional Bitmain miners. They did mention that they do have a 2-year purchase agreement with Bitmain for up to 80,000 of their S series miners. Next up on our list is going to be number 10. That is Bitdeer. That is ticker symbol BTDR. They had a total Bitcoin production for the month of December at 145 Bitcoins. They do have some other information in terms of some of their operational highlights. I won't go over those because it doesn't really apply in terms of that hash rate or that efficiency number or even that Bitcoin HODL, but just wanted to share their total Bitcoin mined as they did make the top 10 list this month in December. Coming in at number 9 is TeraWulf, that is ticker symbol WULF. They had a total Bitcoin mine in the month of December at 158. They had an operating hash rate at 8.4 exahash per second and an efficiency of 19.2 joules per terahash. Coming in at number 8 is going to be Bitfarms, that is ticker symbol BITF. They had a total Bitcoin mine in the month of December at 211 with a hash rate, an average hash rate at 11.1 exahash per second, and the efficiency coming in at 21 joules per terahash. Coming in at number 7 is Cipher, that is ticker symbol CIFR. They had a total Bitcoin mine in the month of December at 234. They had a deployed miner rig of 75,000, and their month-ending operational hash rate came in at 13.5 exahash per second. Month-end fleet efficiency came in at 18.9 joules per terahash. Coming in at number 6 is going to be CORZ Scientific, that is ticker symbol CORZ. They had a total self-mined Bitcoin amount for the month of December at 291. They had a self-mining hash rate at 19.1 exahash per second and a self-mining fleet efficiency at 24.6 joules per terahash. Coming in at number 5 on the list is Riot Platforms, that is ticker symbol RIOT. They had a total mining amount for the month of December of 516 Bitcoin. They had an average or deployed hash rate of 31.5 exahash per second, and they had a total fleet efficiency near the bottom there at 21.9 joules per terahash. They are sitting at a total Bitcoin holding of 17,722. Coming in at number 4 on the list is going to be Iris Energy, that is ticker symbol IREN. They had a total Bitcoin mine for the month of December coming in at 529. They had a operating hash rate of 31 exahash per second to close out the month, and that fleet efficiency coming in at best in class at just 15 joules per terahash. Coming in at number 3, this is a newcomer to the top 3. This is Cango, ticker symbol CANG. They had a total Bitcoin mine for the month of December at 569.9 with a Bitcoin holdings of 933.8 with a total hash rate at 32 exahash per second and an average operating hash rate at 30.4 exahash per second. I don't see their fleet efficiency. If anyone knows that, please drop it in the comments and I'll make sure to update everyone on the next video. Coming in at number 2 on our list is CleanSpark, that is ticker symbol CLSK. They had a total Bitcoin mine for the month of December coming in at 668 with Bitcoin holdings ending the month at 9,952. They also ended the month with an operating hash rate of 39.1 exahash per second, and that fleet efficiency to end the month came in at 17.59 joules per terahash. One other thing worth noting is that deployed fleet coming in at 201,808. And topping our list, coming in at number 1 is going to be Mara, that is ticker symbol MARA. They had a total Bitcoin mine for the month of December at 890, with Bitcoin holdings sitting at 44,893. This is a combination of their Bitcoin mine as well as some of that spot Bitcoin they have purchased throughout the past couple of months. Looking at their operating hash rate, it came in at a total of 53.2 exahash per second. All right, and that's going to wrap it up for me, folks. Hope you really enjoyed this update. If you did, please consider giving this video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Who is your favorite Bitcoin mining company? Also, what other types of material would you like to see me cover? I'd love to hear from you all. And with that said, I hope you all have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you on the next one.